Hey guys, you're listening to Andreas Talks Art.
All right, we are back with another episode of Andreas Talks Art. Oh yeah, and today I'm gonna talk about my least favorite YouTube art trend. Okay, let's get into it. So my absolute least favorite trend that I see a lot of YouTube artists doing is making their art not fun, making it miserable. And I know this has a lot to do with YouTube and creators trying to make their stuff more clickable, making the thumbnails where they're under a lot of stress. They have these huge, crazy projects, whether it's I'm going to do a painting for 100 hours or I'm going to paint 100 spray cans. If you might have saw last week, I did a video where I painted 3 spray cans, and I did this because Ten Hun put out a video of him spray painting his old spray cans. And first off, I just want to say I think it was awesome, and he's one of my favorite artists on YouTube. And another artist as well is Nerdforge. But I noticed this idea where it's more likable by the viewers if the artist seems to be under a lot of pressure or they seem to be a little miserable. And I understand it for the aspect of YouTube. When you see other creators who are like Mr. Beast doing these extreme challenges, giving away tons and tons of money, and the thing is you always want to up yourself. But I hate the fact that it's starting to make these artists seem like they're miserable, because I know they're not, and I know these projects can put a lot of pressure on you, and you'll see in the thumbnail they're very distressed and they put it out as like they're having this miserable experience, and it's not something I want to emulate. And I don't get me wrong, I definitely want to push myself and do some crazy challenges, but I just don't want it to become this thing where that's all it's about, is how big of a challenge can it get, and just keep getting it bigger and bigger and crazier. Because at the end of the day, this is art, and it's this creative expression to just explore your mind and different ideas and just create some cool visuals, right? So why does it have to be so miserable? And I don't think it does, and I don't think it should be. So I just kind of wanted to make this video to talk about that, and the previous video I made where I only did 3 spray cans as opposed to hundreds of spray cans. So with that, I just wanted to put out some of these shorter, more simpler projects to show a little balance to everything, and just show that not everything has to be completely over the top. And I think it can still be interesting and enjoyable. But I would definitely love to know what you guys think and what are your opinions. I guess I just want to put this out to say that that's not all I want to see from artists, and I don't like the idea of artists feeling like they have to portray themselves and their work as being miserable. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment, and just keep making art. Yeah.
Thanks for listening. Share this with your friends if you liked it. And don't forget to be cool. Peace out.